Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on images, videos, files for storage on your WeChat app. We're going to turn on this mark on now how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window and you just click here on my information authorizations and you come to next window here and you just click here on system permissions and you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just go down here and you click here on save images videos first, you will click for storage, then you just click here on this mark and like you see color show for us, that's means save images videos first, it's on now for storage. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you.